Hello, science teachers. I just wanted to share a Read Aloud feature that is built into Discovery Education online textbook. So I logged in through ClassLink, went to Discovery Education, and I'm going to go ahead and select the Science Tech book and go to the California, the Living Earth. And I'm going to scroll down to Unit 3, and I'm going to select Concept 3.1, for example. And then I'm just going to select some text as a sample. As soon as I release, you will see a pop-up toolbar, and Speak Text is one of the options. I'm going to select Speak Text. Let's see if we can get some volume here.
Since the discovery of Archaeopteryx in Bavaria in 1860, scientists have been intrigued by the evolution.
And of course, you can go to the gear and adjust the speed and change some other options here, the color of the text, the highlighter. I do want to call your attention, however, to this enhanced text visibility. So should you or a student need larger text size, I'm going to close that. Now watch what happens. I'm going to select some different text here and select Speak Text and watch the difference. Observe the magic.
Have you ever wanted to see a dinosaur up close, like people have done in countless movies? Chances are you have already seen animals so like dinosaurs as.
So there you have it. You can have the text read aloud right within the Discovery Education online textbook.